Times what folks will call in for, they'll tell me, hey, I've got water at the base of my toilet. And what it's actually coming from is parts in the tank, between the tank and the bowl, will begin to leak. And they will follow the shape of the porcelain down to the foot of the toilet. And you'll only see that water on the floor. A lot of times, too, we'll find that the angle stop, the little valve that shuts the toilet on and off, it's got a tiny little drip on it, and it will follow the pipe back to the wall, roll down the wall, and wind up on the floor. And the only time a homeowner would see it is when it's already on the floor. So the call we get a lot is it is leaking at the base when in fact it's leaking from somewhere above that, but it all makes its way down to that point. So if your tank is leaking, when it begins to drip, if it's pouring, you'll see it and hear it. If it's just dripping, it will actually come down the porcelain and follow the curve of the toilet until it touches the base and then rolls out onto the floor. So a lot of times, even my guys will go in, the first one to do is dry up the floor, then we'll start moving upward. Oh yeah, the whole backside of the tank is soaked. Now we know what's going on.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.